Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm simply gonna go ahead and teach you how you can go ahead and change your Snapchat Cameo selfies. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Snapchat. Finally, once you have done that, all you want to do is tap on your top left profile icon right over here. Finally, once you have done that, you're going to be on this page right over here, where you want to simply tap on the top right gear icon right over here. And now if you scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see a option that says cameos. Simply tap on that, and now you're on this page right over here, where there is a section which says actions. And now you can simply go ahead and tap on change my cameo selfie. So once you have tapped on change my cameo, all you have to do is simply go ahead and take a photo of your face. Finally, once you have done that, you're going to be on this page where you want to choose your body type, whether you're a man or a woman. So simply go ahead and tap on continue. And there you go. It's as simple as that. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.